So here is the problem with our new electric scooter. It has a squeal here, kind of a knocking sound. We were wondering where it came from, and we searched the YouTube. There were no information about it, but we tested it with some duct tape, and here how it works. I just put 4 layers of duct tape. It's a normal duct tape with a textile inside. So I made a patch from 4 layers. We open it and put it in such manner like this. Just I think the problem is from these sides, so we have to cover them like that. Notice that this is a little bit loose, so there is room for the duct tape. Close it, and let's see now. The sound is gone and the joy is back. So good luck with your electric scooter. We really like it. There's some minor problems, but overall it's a great product and we're very happy with it.